So if you've got a job that you've run previously and you'd like to run the detect and repair errors process on that data, then you can right-click and select detect and repair errors, start the repairs, and you'll be presented with essentially the same Excel sheet with some shading showing some potential errors if there are any in Excel. This is the same as when you initially ran that PDF into Excel as step 1. So you can see here we've got some shading for perhaps a year that hasn't been picked up correctly, so the dates aren't in order. And we can click on that hyperlink and open up that page and just double check why that what that date was supposed to be. So 24th of Jan 08, and we can correct that in Excel. If we scroll down, then we've got some clear cells, so we've got some clear dates and amounts, so they've been checked and validated correctly. And then the very last page has no transactions found. So like before, we can click on the hyperlink, go to that exact page, and just validate that that was a summary page. So from here, we can delete that line. And then we've got 100% accurate data in Excel. From there, you can use whatever you'd like to analyze that data. StatementReader provides an automated solution for that analysis. To use that, we've got to update StatementReader with the changes that we've made. So what I've just done there is to save that data as an Excel file, just temporarily, so as book1.xlsx. We close that, and then we go back to StatementReader and right-click on that job. We can import your corrections from Excel and select the file that I've just created. Once that's imported into StatementReader, we can detect and repair errors again and just validate that that is now giving us 100% accurate results. From there, we can analyze the data. And this gives you the chance to choose between the different options that are available to you. So we can analyze things like keywords, duplicate transactions, key transactions, including reverse transactions, key amounts, including round amounts, key periods, such as key days based on a 3-month rolling average, recurring transactions, excluded transactions based on the certain keywords appearing in the narrative, and a summary of the end of day balances and some graphs. So if we close that and continue to the processing dialog box, within a few seconds you'll see that open up in Excel, and the first tab will show you the transactions as you saw before, with some extra columns for categories and end of day balances. The next tab will show you key transactions, the top credits, top debits, and reverse transactions. So transactions coming in or out within 2 days of each other, and some unlikely or impossible transactions, such as transactions on a weekend or the 31st of September. We've got key amounts, so round amounts, some key periods, so top months and top days, keywords based on either value or number of occurrences, recurring transactions, and then we've got an overall summary, so the end of day balances on certain days throughout the month, a category overview if that's been configured within those options that we saw before, and some simple charts. And that's it.